Hi guys, I'm unboxing Zoro Jiro's figure today. It's released on November 7th. This figure is made for a prize, specifically for a claw machine. It may sound weird for the people who live in other countries that figures are made for claw machines, but many people go to the amusement arcade and play games in Japan. This item is not sold in stores, but we can still find it online. Okay, let's open the box. It says Zoro Juro, Grand Line Man. There's a sticker of authenticity and it says Prize. It's kind of heavy for a small figure. I can tell it's not a light plastic. This is a side. It says the item is only for a prize. Figure is made of PVC and ABS, and the base is made of ABS. It's by Bandai Spirits. Okay. A sword is packed separately. This is the base. Let's put them together. Okay, I just attached the jacket. It wasn't easy. I had to open the jacket and push the figure so hard. Okay. Again, you have to push it very hard. Okay. The last one is a sword. It looks very good. Yep. It's nice. The paint on here is a little off. Yeah, I think it's beautiful. It has a little wear. The sculpt work is great. I hope you enjoyed the video. I'm gonna introduce lots of products which are sold in Japan. You can get information of new items fast. So please follow my channel and don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you next time.